Hey, feeling good, like I should.
Hello! For today's video, I'm gonna be doing a room makeover, specifically a wall makeover. I love my room and I love decorating it, but these two walls, they always get me. It's not necessarily like they're like the ugliest things in the world. It's just that they're a step 9 that could be a finished product. Like, these walls are not in their awkward stage, but they're not in their like I'm fully glowed up stage. They're kind of in the middle. In order to fix that, I'm gonna have this room makeover and I'm very excited. I hope you guys will enjoy this video and get some ideas for what you guys might want to do for your room, or just like see a little bit of a Joanna Gaines, some fixer-upper vibes over here. And without further ado, let's get started. So the thing that I don't like about my wall here, like, it's cute, but on this one over here, I wrote on it with Sharpie and I am dumb for that. So now I don't take AP World or Chem. So it's kind of like weird that it's there. So I really want to replace that with this one and then put this poster here. And I have this calendar and I really want to just put it up because it's been like tilted. But every time I do something with this, it falls, and I don't really want that. I kind of just want it to stick. So I will be experimenting with how I want it. Let's figure it out together. It's not even, but it'll do, you know. I'm gonna do the middle part now. It's actually looking pretty nice. Hopefully I can pull it together somehow. I feel like I can, but I'm not really sure. This is the poster I got. I got it for $5 at Gomez Art Supply. It reminds me of more like Catherine and just like any Urban Outfitters vibes. I'm so happy that I got it for $5. These things are $30 online. So when I saw $5, I was like, you know. But yeah, it's absolutely cute. I think it goes really well with my room. It's very much whimsical, flowery vibes, which is really what I like. And at the same time, my room is kind of mixed match, but the main theme is floral, and I feel like I didn't really have that aspect beside like that mini plant. So hopefully this will help tie it in more with the room as well. I also have this kind of yellowish color on my other wall because I have like glow in the dark, but it doesn't really glow in the dark. So I think this will be really cool.
me to say you love. It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's for me to say you love. It's not for me to say you love.
Hello everyone, so it's a few hours later. I took a nap, I recharged my camera because it died, and I think I made some progress on it. I think I just have to hang up the little plant thing, and then I will move on to this wall over here, but pretty much my desk is done. My desk is all complete, and I'm gonna move on to this bad boy here. I like it, but I've grown out of manifestations. I don't really think they work that well. So yeah, and then I just don't think it's as aesthetically pleasing as it could be. I also have a lot of pins that I want to put up on my wall, and I want to make something to display that. So what I did for this pin display was I folded up a pillowcase and I just pinned the pins on them. It was the most simple way of making it rather than buying stuff from Amazon, and plus it's cheaper, and plus it's just gonna hold my pin, so was it that serious? But yeah, this is what I have. So I'm gonna give you guys a tour. So on this part, I just have my desk area. So on top, I have this lanyard that I got from Joann's, and it just has some honeycombs on it. And then these two blackboards I got from Joann's as well. I just write on them with some chalk marker. On this one, it says, Jesus looked at them and said, with man, this is impossible, but with God, all things are possible. and it's just a Bible quote. And on this chalkboard, I just have my 2019/2020 school year goals. So some of them include student of the year, straight A's, some good SAT, ACT scores, and one of them is 1,000 subscribers. If you aren't subscribed already, I mean, subscribe. Just kidding, you don't really have to, but that is a goal of mine. In the middle of my 2 chalkboards, I just have this poster that I got from Gomez Art Supply. I mentioned it in the beginning of the video, but it just ties the room together. On the side, I just have Polaroids that I took, all from miscellaneous years. And these prints right here on the side are inspired by the Tezza art prints that everyone has on their walls. I didn't want to pay a lot of money for those Tezza things just because my mom will probably say no. So I just printed out these pictures on some shiny paper and they work just as fine. So I have one of New York, one quote that says, "Do something today that your future self will thank you for." And then I have "Always do what's best for you." And this girl, I think she's pretty aesthetic and kind of want to be her, kind of. And then under that I have just more Polaroids here. And then in the middle, this is my calendar. On here I just have like different stuff that I'm doing, you know, different videos that I have. Sorry, this is getting uploaded on a Monday. I also have my chart for the day. I have Peppa. What are you doing on my calendar? If you watch TikTok, I love you. And then I just have more school supplies. I will go more in depth to this when I do my like desk tour / room tour. But now onto this wall. So up here, I just have Conan Gray. He is my loves, my ultimate loves. Conan Gray, if you were watching this,
I love you.
okay, no one's in my house, so I'm allowed to scream. And I have some awards from the thespian thingy that I did. So I have one from state and I have one from regionals. When it was my birthday, my mom got me this Sweet 16 sign as like a thing. She like decorated the downstairs and it was super cute. So I just have that hanging to remind me in case I forget that I'm 16. Down here, I think I should probably blur out the school name, but I have my 2 orchestra awards that I've gotten. This, which I got from, what's that called? Nebraska. In wall. And it's so cute. And then I have more stuff, lanyards from Nebraska and beater stuff. I have this Lion King poster. I watched Lion King. I loved it. I love Lion King. I have this Totoro postcard that my friend got me. I have another Polaroid. I have another Polaroid over here. 2 of them actually. I have another big boy Polaroid that I got from the Instagram pop-up store thing from On the Strip. And then this Little Pops is my favorite candy in the world. I also have a sock because I threw it up here to put in my laundry and it landed on the thumbtack, so kind of cool. And then I have my calendar, and then I have this fake plant and a minion. That was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give it a like if you do. If you want content like this, including fashion and beauty, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. I upload 2 times a week, so if you want to see double content on 1 week, every week, then make sure to subscribe. If you want more of these videos where I make over my wall, then I will definitely do that. I love decorating my room. I hope you guys are having a good day or had a good day, and peace.
Missing someone.